Don't scrape LinkedIn, listen to it. This workflow I made watches LinkedIn in real time. All new job posts, title changes, hiring signals, and the moment something relevant drops, I already have it ready. While everyone else is still copy-pasting, I'm writing the first email. So this is Clay, and every single row in this table was just pulled automatically from LinkedIn. Scraped, cleaned, deduplicated, and delivered here in under 15 seconds. I didn't touch anything. I just sent one request and this happened. I built this in N8N, which is totally free open source, using a 1 cent per call LinkedIn API. The whole workflow is 8 nodes, and by the end of this video, you'll have it running too. This is not a theory. I'm going to show you every single node, what it does and why. Here's the entire workflow. 9 nodes, 1 straight line. A webhook receives the trigger, we validate the keyword, hit LinkedIn, split out the jobs, clean the data, remove duplicates, and fire everything into Clay. Let's go node by node. I'll explain what each one actually does. Node 1, the webhook. This is your front door. Anything that can send an HTTP request can trigger this workflow. A browser tab, Clay itself, another N8N flow, a Slack bot, whatever. It listens at the path, get recent jobs, and it's expecting one thing in the URL, a keywords parameter. That's the job title you're hunting for. One keyword in, everything else happens automatically. Node 2. When the webhook fires, it delivers the whole request as a messy object. Your keyword is buried inside it, so this node pulls it out and gives it a clean, simple name. Keywords, that's it. From here, every other node can just use that one clean field instead of digging through the raw data every time. Node 3, the gatekeeper. Before we spend a single API call, we check, did the keyword actually arrive? If yes, we go right and keep building. If no, if someone hits the webhook with an empty request, we go left and stop immediately with a clear error. This is the difference between a professional workflow and a broken one. Always validate before you call any paid API. Node 4, the false branch. If the keyword was missing, this fires. It throws one clear error, no query data. The workflow stops, nothing gets called, nothing gets charged. You see exactly what went wrong and why. Node 5, this is where we actually hit LinkedIn. We're using a RapidAPI endpoint, link is in the description. It queries LinkedIn jobs in real time, no cookies, no browser, no risk of getting banned. We pass the keyword from our webhook, and we set sort to recent, so we always get fresh postings, not 3-month-old ones. The response comes back as one big JSON object, a pile of job listings all bundled together. That's what we untangle next. Node 6, split out. The API gives us one object with an array of 15 jobs inside it. N8N works best when it processes things one at a time, so this node explodes that array, takes the pile of 15 and turns it into 1,300 individual items flowing through the workflow. One becomes many. Now we can work on each job separately. Node 7, the cleaner. Each job object from the API response has a ton of fields we don't need. This node strips everything back to exactly 9. Company name, company LinkedIn URL, company URN, job title, job URL, job ID, location, when it was posted, and the job description. Clean input into Clay means clean data to work with later. Never forward a raw API response downstream. Always define what you actually need. Node 8, remove duplicates. If you run this workflow twice with overlapping keywords, the same job could come through twice. This node compares by job ID, LinkedIn's unique identifier for every posting, and silently drops any duplicate it's seen before. Node 9, delivery. For every clean, unique job, we post the data straight to Clay via its webhook source. Company name, LinkedIn URL, company URN, job title, job URL, all mapped as body parameters. Clay receives each one and drops it into a new row automatically. And this is where it gets powerful, because Clay doesn't just store this data. From here, you can auto-enrich the company, find the decision maker, pull their email, and trigger a personalized outreach sequence. The N8N workflow is the data layer. Clay is the action layer. Together, they're unstoppable. Okay, let's run the whole thing live. I'm sending the webhook right now with SDR as the keyword. Webhook received, keyword validated, LinkedIn API responding, split out. 1,300 items, cleaner running, dedup, 922 unique. And now, there they are, 922 companies actively hiring SDR right now, today, with their LinkedIn URLs ready to enrich. Here's 3 ways I'd use this today. 1, SDR teams. Trigger this every morning for your target industries. New job postings mean new budget, new headcount, new buying signals. You want to be first in the door. 2, recruiters. Find companies hiring adjacent roles to your candidates and pitch them before anyone else does. 3, competitive intelligence. Track which of your competitors are scaling specific departments. If they're posting 10 engineering jobs a week, they're about to ship something. That's a signal. These workflows are how the best operators stay ahead. They're not working harder, they're automating the boring parts. Comment Clay below if you want part 2. The workflow JSON is free in the description. Import it, add your RapidAPI key, connect your Clay webhook, and you're live in 10 minutes.